Welcome to the structure analysis one. Here we are going to start our new chapter, moment distribution method. It is also known as a MDM, the short form of moment distribution method. Mm, the important terms as a stiffness, the moment required to provide or produce a unit rotation at the simply supported beam end of a member is called stiffness or absolute stiffness. Again, the moment required to produce a unit rotation at simply supported end of a member is known as stiffness or absolute stiffness. Stiffness is denoted by small k. Stiffness is equal to moment divided by rotation, or stiffness is equal to force upon deformation. But theta is equal to rotation is equal to unity. That's why stiffness is equal to moment. Prosperation 1, far and fix. The moment required to rotate the near end of a prismatic beam through a unit angle without translation, the far end being fixed, is given by m is equal to k is equal to 4 ei by l. Far end fix, the moment is 4 ei by l, and at the end of fixity it is 2 ei by l. Prosperation to far and simply. The moment that are the હવે બધા મોમેન્ટ ઇક્વેશન છે કઈ કન્ડિશન માટે કયું ઇક્વેશન ક્યારે યુઝ કરવું એના માટે મહત્વની વસ્તુ. The moment required to rotate the near end of a prismatic beam through a unit angle without translation, the far end bending being simple is given by m is equal to k is equal to 3 ei upon l, and the far end is 0. Now carry over moment. In case of beam with far end fixed, if m moment is applied at the near end, m dash moment is produced at far end. The m dash moment is called carryover moment. Again, in case of beam with a far end fix, this is the example of a far end fix. If m moment is applied at the near end, m dash moment is produced at the far end. This m dash moment is called a carryover moment of the near end. For a beam with far end fix, we know m is equal to ei by l and m dash is equal to 2 ei by l. Similarly, for simply supported beam, m is equal to 3 ei by l and m dash is equal to 0. M is equal to moment applied at near end and m dash is equal to carry over moment at the far end. Now carryover factor called COF. Moment produced at far end divided by moment applied at near end, m dash by m. When far end of beam is fixed, carryover factor is equal to 2 ei by l divided by 4 ei by l. Simplified it l by 2 and we get carryover moment as a 0.5. Distribution factor df. We can see a figure in which a 4 beam connected with a single end point O. There are a different fixed. A and C are fixed where B and D are simply supported. Member OA. OA is equal to 4 EI by L1. OB 3 EI by L2. OC and OD as per OA and OB. Now total stiffness or summation of K is equal to K1, K2, K3 and K4. Distribution factor is equal to K upon summation of K. For member OA, distribution factor is equal to K1 upon summation of K1, K. For moment OA, M1 is equal to M1 M into K1 upon summation of K. For member DF is equal to K2 upon summation of K. Moment shared by OB is equal to M2 is equal to M into K2 summation of K. Similarly, for member OC and OD. Now there is some definition. First, fixed end moment, unbalanced moment, distributed moment, relative stiffness. Now, sign convention. Sign convention are as same as a mechanics of solid. Support moment, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. For rotation, clockwise positive, anti-clockwise negative. Sinking or settlement as per the settlement will be taken as a positive if it is rotate the beam as a whole in a clockwise direction and negative in case of anti-clockwise direction. Now here we can discuss some fixed end moment equation which are very important, and without it we can not move a single step ahead in a exam. So the fixed end moment are very necessary and very important, not for only SA1 but for also structure analysis and design whole life. Fixed end moment for various load cases are shown in below. First, fixed beam with point load in the center. AB is equal to WL by 8 and BA is equal to WL by 8. Same rule applied, clockwise, positive, anti-clockwise, negative. Okay, here anti-clockwise, negative, clockwise, positive. Fixed beam with fully loaded with a uniformly distributed load, WL square by 12 minus WL square by 10 and a E to B minus WL square by 12, B to A, WL square by 12. Third beam, so fixed beam with a point load at any instant, not at middle. MFAB is equal to M stand for moment, F stand for fixity, A and B stand for A to B and B to A. Okay, MFAB is equal to minus WAB square by L square and MFDA is equal to WAB square upon L square. In case of UBL, MFAB is equal to plus WL square by 30 and MFAB is equal to minus WL square by 20. Beam 5, only moment at a some, not at middle but at anywhere in a beam. MFAB is equal to plus M dot B 2A minus B divided by L square. MFBA is equal to MA 2B minus A upon L square. Both moment are positive because the moment are in a clockwise direction. Similarly, at beam 6, for a beam UDL loaded up to more than half portion of the beam, MFAB is equal to minus WL square by 12L square into 6L square minus 8AL plus 3A square. And for MFBA, there is a W equivalent to LL square 4AL minus 3A. These are the main equation we need to memorize and very important for the example. Now, step for moment distribution will taking on a next lecture.